Question. DS. There are two water tanks, A and B. After 100 liters of water is drained from tank A and moved to tank B, the volume of water in tank B increased by 20%. What was the original volume of water in tank A? Condition 1. Before the 100 liters were drained and moved, the sum of the volume of water in the two tanks was 900 liters. Condition 2. After the 100 liters were drained and moved, the volume of water left in tank A was half the volume of water in tank B. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the original volume of water in tank A if the volume of water in tank B increased by 20% when 100 liters were shifted from tank A to tank B. Let the volume of water in tank A and tank B be A and B respectively. Now 20% of the volume of tank B is 100. So, decimal 2 times B equals 100. That is, B equals 500. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have one variable, A. Because we were able to solve for B to match the number of variables with a number of equations, we need one equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. You might already have the answer in your head because there is one variable. That's how you get a high score, because you can save time and choose the most likely answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that before the 100 liters were drained and moved, the sum of the volume of water in the two tanks was 900 liters. That is, A plus B equals 900. Substituting 500 for B, we get A plus 500 equals 900, or A equals 400. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Condition 2 tells us that after the 100 liters were drained and moved, the volume of water left in tank A was half the volume of water in tank B. That is, A minus 100 equals B plus 100 whole over 2. Substitute B equals 500, we have A minus 100 equals 500 plus 100 whole over 2, or A minus 100 equals 600 over 2, or A equals 400. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Each condition alone is sufficient, so D is the correct answer. In some cases, A, B, or C and E can be the answer. However, since we have one variable from the original condition, D would most likely be the answer in about 60% of the questions. So pick D when you run out of time or just want to skip the question. Look, the variable approach is awesome. You are going to do so well on the GMAT using this approach. Answer D.